Hello students, today I am continuing 7th standard chapter 2 fractions and decimals exercise 2.6 fourth question. A two-wheelers covers a distance of 55.3 km in 1 liter of petrol. Here the two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 km in 1 liter of petrol. And how much distance will it cover in 10 liters of petrol? In 10 liters, how much distance will it cover? If you multiply, you will get the answer. Solution: distance covered in 1 liter of petrol is equal to 55.3 kilometer, and distance covered in 10 liter of petrol is equal to 10 into 55.3. When you multiply 553 into 10, you get the answer as 5530. That is, if you replace the decimal point before one digit in the question, therefore you should replace the decimal point before one digit in the answer also. That becomes 553.0, and you will not consider this 0 after decimal point. The answer is 553. Therefore, when you multiply 10 into 55.3, the answer is 553 kilometers. Therefore, the two-wheeler covers a distance of 553 kilometers in 10 liter of petrol. Therefore, two-wheelers covers a distance in 10 liter of petrol is 553 kilometer. Next question is find 2.5 into 0.3. So you have to multiply. In the earlier questions, you were having in one-sided decimal point. Here you got both the side also. You got a decimal points. So in this also, it is the same procedure. You have to follow it. 2.5 into 0.3. When you replace 2.5 into fraction, that becomes 25 by 10. So it becomes 25 by 10, and 0.3, when we convert 0.3 into fractions, so it converts to 3 by 10. Yeah. When you multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator, that becomes 25 3s is 75 and 10 10s is 100. So therefore we get 75 by 100. When you divide 75 by 100, that is 75 divided by 100. So we can't divide 75 by 100. I should take 0 point. Therefore I have taken decimal point here. I can add 0 and 100 sevens is 700, and the remainder is 50. And after the decimal point, we can add 1 0 for every remainder. So here I have added 1 0, that becomes 500, and 100 5 is 500. Therefore, when you divide 75 by 100, we get the answer as 0.75, and this will be your answer. On dividing a decimal by 100, the decimal point is shifted to the left by 2 places, then that becomes 0.75. When you multiply 2.5 into 0.3, or when you multiply 25 into 3, we get the answer as 75. Here we got two decimal points. One is before 5, that is 2.5, and one is here before 0.3. Therefore, we got two decimal points in total. Therefore, we have to replace decimal point before 2 digit. I'll replace the decimal point before 2 digit. So that becomes 0.75. When you multiply 2.5 into 0.3, the answer we get is 75, and you have to replace the decimal. So we got a decimal before 1 digit and before 1 digit here. Totally we got 2 digits after the decimal point. We have to place decimal point before 2 digits in the answer. That becomes 0.75. Therefore, we get 75. The decimal point is shifted to the left by 2 places. So we should shift the decimal point to the left of 2 places. By 2 places we have to shift. That becomes 0.75. Therefore, the answer is 0.75. Next question is 0.1 into 51.7. When you multiply 1 into 517, the answer is 517 itself. But here in the question, we got one decimal point in one side and another decimal point in other side. Therefore, totally we got two decimal point. We have to replace decimal point before 2 digits, that is 5.17. And there are 2 digits, 1 plus 1, right to the decimal places in 0.1 and 51.7. So we got 1 plus 1 digit. Here also 1 digit and here also 1 digit. Therefore, thus 0.1 into 51.7 becomes 5.17. Next question is 0.2 into 316.8. So here when you multiply 2 into 3068, we get 6336. Here we got decimal point before one digit, and in this place also we got decimal point before one digit. Total we got 1 plus 1, that is 2 digit. Therefore I have to replace the decimal point before 2 digit, that becomes 63.36. So 63.36 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore there are 2 digits, 1 plus 1 right to the decimal points in 0.2 and 316.8. Thus 0.2 into 316.8 becomes 63.36. This is the answer. Next question, 1.3 into 3.1. So when you multiply 13 into 31, the answer is 403. Here you got one decimal point, and here in this also you got one decimal point. Therefore totally we got 1 plus 1, that is 2 decimal point. We have to replace decimal point before 2 digit, that becomes 4.03. So the answer is 4.03. There are 2 digits, 1 plus 1, write to the decimal points in 1.3 and 3.1. Therefore thus 1.3 into 3.1 is equal to 4.03 is the answer. Next question is 0.5 into 0.05. Here when you multiply 5 into 5, the answer is 25. Here you got a decimal point before one digit, and in this place you got decimal point before two digits, that is you got 1 plus 2. Totally you got 3 digits before the decimal point. Therefore you have to replace the decimal point for 25. For 25 in our 3 digit ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು decimal point ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. That means 21 digit, 2 digit and 3 digit. So here the point will be here. That means 0.025 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So when you multiply 0.5 into 0.05, the answer will be 0.025. There are 3 digits, 1 plus 2, write to the decimal points in 0.5 and 0.05. Thus 0.5 into 0.05 is equal to 0.025. Next question is 11.2 into 0.15. When you multiply 112 into 15, that becomes 1680. Here you got one digit before decimal point and 2 digits before decimal point. Total we got 1 plus 2, that is 3 digits. Therefore you have to replace the decimal point before 3 digits. So here 1, 2 and 3 digits. Answer is 1.680. The answer becomes 1.680, and after the decimal point we will not consider the last zero, that is answer is 1.68. There are 3 digits, that is 1 plus 2, write to the decimal point in 11.2 and 0.15. When you multiply 11.2 into 0.15, the answer you get as 1.68. Therefore this is the answer. Next question is 1.07 into 0.02. Here when you multiply 107 into 2, 107 into 2 gives the answer as 214. In this question we got a decimal point before 2 digit, and the right side also we got decimal point before 2 digit. Totally we got 2 plus 2, that is 4 digit. So therefore we have to replace the decimal point before 2 digit for 214. So here we got 3 digits and we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore the point comes here, you have to add 0, and that becomes 0.0214. So here we got decimal point before 4 digits. Therefore the answer is 0.0214. There are 4 digits, 2 plus 2, write to the decimal places in 1.07 into 0.02. When you multiply 1.07 into 0.02, the answer you get as 0.0214. Next question is 10.05 into 1.05. When you multiply 1005 into 105, the answer you get as 1,05,525. So here we got decimal point before 2 digit, and in this also we got decimal point before 2 digit. Total we got 2 plus 2, that is 4 decimal point. So you have to replace this. So you have to replace the decimal point before 4 digit, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore finally we get the answer as 10.5525. When we replace the decimal point before 4 digit, we get an answer as 10.5525. There are 4 digits 2 plus 2 right to the decimal places in 10.05 and 1.05. When you multiply 10.05 into 1.05, the answer you get as 10.5525. Next question is 101.01 into 0.01. So here when you multiply this 10,101 into 1, we get the answer as 10,101. Here we got decimal point before 2 digits, and in this also we got decimal point before 2 digits. Total we got 2 plus 2, that is 4 digits. So we have to replace the decimal point before 4 digit in the answer also, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So finally we got the answer as 1.0101. Therefore there are 4 digits, that is 2 plus 2 right to the decimal places in 101.01 and 0.01. Thus 101.01 into 0.01 is equal to answer is 1.0101. This will be your answer. The next question is 100.01 into 1.1. So when we multiply 10,001 into 11, we get 1,10,011. Here in the question, we got a decimal point before 2 digits, and in this side we got decimal point before 1 digit. Total we got 2 plus 1, that is we have to replace the decimal point before 3 digits, that is 1, 2 and 3. So finally the answer we get as 110.011. So here there are 3 digits, that is 2 plus 1 right to the decimal points in 100.01 and 1.1. So thus 100.01 into 1.1 gives answer as 110.011. This is your answer. Here we have come to the end of exercise 2.6. Thank you, students.